and regard to all the bar members of Bhadargarh Bar Association. As you know that I am contesting for the post of President in Bar Association Bhadargarh. So I want to share some of my thoughts and ideas which if I get a chance to achieve this post of President, I will try to complete, assure you and will complete all the thoughts which I want to share to you. First of all, I want to say to my bar members that if I get a chance to become the president of Bar Association Bhadargarh, then the first and the main issue which we will take up is the construction of the chambers for the new advocates. This is the one of the main issues of our bar, and it has been pending since last 2 years. As in when the amount of the chambers has already been taken from the bar members, but since 2 years nothing has been done for the construction of the chambers, which will be our first and the main thing which will initiate if I get a chance from my bar members. Second thing which I want to say to bar members, that there is a big issue in our bar about the bar welfare fund. The bar welfare fund is imposed by a bar welfare fund ticket which is of 50 rupees, and it has to be collected in a separate account, so that account can only be used as and when required for the welfare of the bar members. Somehow if any person or if any bar members dies, then we should use this bar welfare fund for him, for helping him, or also where you can use where the bar thinks if any person is suffered from any permanent disability and is our bar member, then the main second thing issue is that we will make a separate account, and we will try to utilize that. If any person or if any bar members suffers from anything related death or any permanent disability, or bar members in any meeting allows that person to give the amount from the bar welfare fund, then we will first of all we will give very desperately. We will help you in each and every way by giving an amount which has to be fixed by the bar in any meeting. Third thing is the main issue is ladies bar room. Since 5 or 7 years I am watching that number of female advocates have been increased in our bar, and it is a very good thing that the separate room has been given for the ladies bar room. Then my main preference will be to provide each and every facility to the ladies room, such as the computers or AC etc. which they require. Then I will be very very happy to help in each and every way to our ladies bar members, so that a separate room for their sitting, for their comfort can be established in our bar. Fourth thing is that first floor connection with our court building. It is also a very necessary step which has already been initiated by me in 2018, and it was also allowed at that time by the Justice Ahluwalia ji. But since then the procedure of connection of has not been initiated, or if it has been initiated, then it has not been completed, which will be one of the main my issue that which I will try to complete if I get a chance from my bar. And one more thing which is also basic requirement of our bar members is that the post office and the bank, for which special rooms have been also allotted in the SDM room. We will try to meet any such person, to any MP or to any central minister or bar council or high court, so that more than 4 years has been expired, but since that time we have not able to get the post office, due to which advocates time gets consumed when they have to, especially they have to go to the post office. One more issue of our bar, which is the really important issue, and we are also having funds for that is our library. We are having enough space for a library, but library has not been established in a proper way, so that the bar members who are specially preparing for the judiciary exams or such as any female member want to sit and want to prepare, or any other member want to prepare for any exam or competitive exams, such an atmosphere has not been given in the library till date. So I want to assure my bar members, my judiciary aspirants and other ladies members also, that we will try to provide a very smooth and a very good atmosphere in the library, and we will try to construct such an atmosphere in the bar library. Then we will get a good atmosphere to study. And moreover, if any sort of books or any barrettes are not there, then we will try to provide it, especially barrettes. There should be at least 2 sets of each and every barrettes in our bar, because sometimes when we come in the bar, we see that the barrette has been taken by any other advocate. So we will try that our bar members will not suffer on this ground. Then they will able to get the proper books at proper time when they require. One more issue which I want to raise to our bar, and it has been creating disputes since a very long time about the record of the bar. Like other bars in Gurgaon, Chandigarh, Rohtak, they have also created a special online record about their membership, about their membership, etc., about their post holders, which they properly shows that they are their post holders, and it has been updated. It is updated on the every year, and it shows all the online record on the online sites. And by creating such an online record, the dispute of submitting the record, etc., which we will try to make it on a lower level, so that each and every year when the election, after the election, there arises a dispute about the membership register or any other thing, we will try that each and everything should be stored in the computer, so that each and every person have a right, and they are already having a right to see the record of the bar. It should be transparent, according to my thought, and we will try our level best on this thing. I want to raise one more thing towards the bar members, that Gurgaon Bar Association also has raised an issue about the group insurance scheme, which is very much necessary at this point, since we are not having any group insurance like Mr. Kejriwal has given, or to Delhi bars. Our government has not provided any sort of such group insurance to us. Though I want to assure the bar that those persons who are taking the group in the life insurance, or I don't want to say life insurance, but health insurance yearly, we have to pay yearly for that. Then we can try that the such insurance of health insurance should be taken in a group, so that some sort of amount should be relaxed by those companies. It will be my preference. I have told all my future plans, which if I get a chance from my bar to come on this post, and if they elect me, support me, and for the post of this president, then I will try to complete all the things, all the matters which I have placed in your on to you. So my serious request is that please vote and support me for the post of president in Bar Association Bahadurgarh, so that earlier also, I want to say a thing, earlier also when I got a chance to become the secretary of this bar, I tried to complete many works, such as the issues related to the record. The record was not given by the secretary to the other secretary, and it created a dispute. On the very next day, when the shapath was taken by the new president and secretary, I submitted the record to the new secretary on the very same day, so that they can work in a proper way. So I want to request all my bar members to give me a chance for this post, so that I can raise my voice and complete your work which I have promised to you. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.